In this session, we are going to discuss about the troubleshoot issues related user and groups. Okay, so what are the possible users issue? We will discuss on that. First is user management issue. If you want to manage the user, so first you will have to check yourself, are you authorized or not? If you are authorized person or authorized user to manage the groups and manage the users, are you authorized or not? So how you can check you are authorized or not? So first you will check, are you the root user? If yes, then you can do the management of the users and group. If you are not a root user and you are a normal user, then you will check, are you the member of the wheel group? Means are you the member of this group? Otherwise, are you the member of the sudo? So you will have check yourself like, yeah, I am a normal user, but I have a privilege to run the command as a sudo. So if you are either you are root user or you are sudo user, then you can manage the users and groups. Okay, so now if you are managing the user and group, so how you will confirm their existence? Existence of the group, existence of the users. So users existence as well as the users and groups, both existence you will get into the /etc and /passwd file. Another, either you can check the /etc/group to check the information of the groups, right? But there is a some user have the active processes. There is a possibility because you have run the some process or you have run some processes in the Windows, so you have seen sometime there is a unresponsive message is displaying on the screen, and neither you can close this particular application, neither you can exit from this application, nothing you can do it. So in this case, if in the Linux there is any process which is the active and you want to halt that or kill it, so you can run this command sudo space kill all command, sudo space kill all, then -u any username means like Vijay user student 01 or 03. So you can kill all the process related to any users. Right, so if there is a login failure, right, the user is trying to log in but it is failing again and again. So what are the possibilities? Possibilities means like I have logged as a this user, but right now I am going to move on any other screen here, and already you know there is a student 03 user 02 user we have created, but I am trying to log in this one but I am not able to log in. Reason is that I have not assigned the password to the student 02. So in other case, like in a here is ex, I am login with this user, and right now I am going to check here like what is the problem with the student user. So where I will find the information? We will find the information inside the passwd file. So what the information I am getting here? The student 02 which having the password in a shadow file. So let me check about the shadow file. So sudo cat /etc then shadow file and hit enter. Now it is asking for the password, provide the password, here it is. And now you can see the student has the hash value, has the password. Vijay also has the password, but student 02 does not has the password. So until this is not have the password, you cannot log in it directly because it is required a password. So you will have to set the password first. So setting the password, you can use the command like sudo and passwd, and whatever the command is here, you can set the password. So what I want to show you, like if the user is exist, so is it the password enabled or not? If password is not enabled, you cannot log in. So you will identify which user having which privilege and what are the possible problem with that user. That is the reason you can get the solve. So /etc passwd, and if the user does not exist or their name does not exist in this file, so you can create an account by using the user add command. Later on, if account is exist, then confirm the password is set or not. Because when you are using the command user add, it will not ask for the password. If you will use the add user command, it will ask for the password. So verify their hashed password in this file as I have shown you. So if the account is exist, password is exist, now forgetting the correct password, so you can reset the password if you have forgotten the password. So and there is a possibility some if the password is set, but maybe possible the password is expired. So if the password is expired, so how you will identify? How will you identify? I have told you already, you can use the chase command, chase-l command, which will display you any username like student 01. So why it is putting here sudo 0 user1. So you can see here the password is expired, so it will be display here if the expired, and if the password is expired, it will display here. If the account is expired, it will display here. In the previous sessions, I have told you already how you can set all these things. So another is if account exists, password is set, then account may be logged, then you can use the unlock if the account is logged. So all these are the problem when you are not able to log in or you are attempt to the login but failure. So these are the possibilities, you can check them all. Then reviewing the login process. Like you have there is a operating system, boot with the kernel, loaded the kernel, then it is boot with the command line interface only, and command line interface only you can authenticate by putting the username and password. I have told you already, you can enter the name and password, the combination I am talking about this, like here, this is the command interface only where you will enter the username. Like, yeah, I have set the password for the student. Now it is asking the password, so I am putting the password here, correct, and hitting enter. I think I did not set the password for this. Yeah, I did not set. So I am logging with the student 01 and putting the password here. So here it is a command line interface where I have logged in and I can do it. Check the against the etc passwd, the same things is there, and also check the user profile files are processed, means all the files are exist in a home directory or not. So other commands can be used like last log you can use, display the recent login information when the user have logged. Last command is used for pulling the login history information of any specific user. And the W command is used for the display the current login of the system, including ideal time, who command is can use. So how you can use, like last log command will used, last login. No. Last command is used to checking the information here. Vijay has been logged in on TTY2 on this date, this and this date. Okay. So I am going to exit from here and moving again on my graphical user interface. So when I will run this command, last command, it will display the last login, which computer where has been logged. Like student 01, it is not displaying here, but it is logged in on that time. Okay, and another command is last log. Also command is last log, to giving the last login information to all the users, which are users when being logged. And W command is used for checking the particular current user logged in, username, terminal login time, how much time it have used, and who command is used, who am I. So it will display all this information.